Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Bitcoin breakdown series brought to you by Cryptocurrency Alliance. As always, guys, your boy here, Dave Rodriguez, one of the head traders here inside the Alliance community. Hope everyone's having a good day, night, wherever you're at in the world. Not quite sure when you're watching this. I want to give a quick shout out to all you newbies out there watching and those of you returning for another episode. Definitely appreciate all the support. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to the channel, guys. Drop a like at the end if you found some value. We're dropping nonstop content every day here, so make sure you don't miss out. Set the alerts after you subscribe, guys, so when we do drop a video, normally we drop one a day. Sometimes we'll do more than that a day if we see something else pop up. So stay tuned for all the upcoming videos. Subscribe, like the video at the end, obviously, guys, and set that alert button. Quick rundown what goes on here inside these daily videos for those of you just showing up. Bitcoin, obviously, king crypto. We spent a lot of time doing an analysis to see where that goes. We'll check that out here real soon. We spent a lot of time on the daily chart, the 6-hour, 12-hour, 4-hour, just kind of doing an analysis on where we think the token will go next, what the obvious things are, what our analysis is, and on the flip side of the coin, what could obviously happen. We lay everything out here because there's no crystal ball here, guys. We take the information we're given and then try to make an educated decision. So last thing that we do here, guys, is we evaluate some of the charts, setups for breakouts, show you guys some things that we look at. We don't give you guys the actual signals here inside of these videos. You'll have to go inside the actual Alliance community to get those actual signals and trade setups. So we will be dropping some information inside here. We got, a bunch of different secrets, especially the top 3 secrets that we have that we trade with. We put that all in an ebook. We are going to give that away at the end of the video, so you guys, keep in tune to the end, so you guys get that free value that we put together for you guys. Kind of put, all of our thoughts inside of a little book, and we're gonna make it available for you guys at the end of this video. So keep your pen, paper out when we announce that link, and then or you guys can just simply copy paste or just click the link down in the description. So fundamentals, guys, something we also cover here from time to time. This channel is more about technical analysis, but we do cover fundamentals from time to time, things that move the market already or we think are going to move the market, whether it's an announcement, whether it's a listing on a new exchange for a different token. All these different things can move the market up or down. Could be FUD, whatever it is, guys. We'll drop it inside the Facebook group. We'll drop some information right here inside of this free channel. Not going to waste a whole lot more time, guys. All the newbies out there, make sure you stick around to the end. We got those 3 trading secrets that you guys are going to be able to take advantage of. We got that ebook coming out for you guys and a little bit of a training series brought to you by Cody, the owner here of the Cryptocurrency Alliance. It gives you guys a lot of insight on the markets and a lot of knowledge, as well as a bunch of free stuff. So stay tuned for that at the end, guys. We will be announcing how to take advantage of that. First things up, let's take a look at Bitcoin and what it's been up to. We've had a daily candle closure, as you can see right here, guys. You can zoom out. We've been doing this day in and day out, but I mean, you can see the downtrend. The triangle type pattern has kept us down inside this and squeezed us until the point we've been inside basically a $400 or $500 area of consolidation. We've broken out. I don't care which way you draw this line. This candle is going to end up on the outside of it. There was a, kind of a pennant here we were hoping to see break up and out, but it didn't happen. It broke downwards to the bottom sort of trend line. I mean, you can draw this any way you want. There's resistance here or support here. So it took that support, decided to break up and out because of all of the FUD, tether, incident, whatever you want to call it. I think that's why it all happened. So, like I said, we've closed out and above this area. We haven't broken up above this area of 6,800, but we have been in that zone of 67, 6,800. As you can see, we had kind of a pennant pattern here. We've broken out to the top of that. I can expect maybe a little downwards pattern here to retest maybe this area here, but I would love to see a break up and above. We'll zoom in a little bit. We'll use a different chart so we can use the 12-hour and stuff like that. But as you can see, this white line, it's sitting about 67.25. I'm just going to travel back in time and show you guys how many times this area has been hit and rejected. Huge rejection here back in April. Huge rejection here on both sides. We'll zoom in here, guys. This is what we look for. Huge rejection. Finally made it through. Retested. Back through. Just consolidation. Back down. Back up. over and over again, guys. Just simple candle breaks in the middle here as well. So we see this play out over and over again. And as you can see, we're sitting on this line right now. Can this become support? We hope so. We've got the 12-hour cross of the MAs here. Coming back to the upside, can we get up and above the 67, 6800 region with these MAs? Can we come down to test? Will they meet in the middle somewhere? Let's keep heading to lower charts. Again, we're finding the support at 6, 12, 18 hours, 24 hours, almost a whole day above the 6,700 region. I'd like to see it get above these wicks, but this is a good region. Remember, when we say an area of 6,800, we mean the entire area up and around it. Like this, guys. We just need to stay up and above these candles that haven't been able to do so. A powerful candle came through. Many candles have come down. This one actually just closed the 6 hour, and it closed above the 67.25 region, which has been so powerful. So let's see if this thing holds. Like I said, on the 6 hour, we've got one above the 200 MA. If we can get two above the 200 MA, that kind of signifies further upside. We're rounding out here. Maybe we can see a rounded sort of pattern here on Bitcoin. That's kind of an example of what we could see. We could see something like that. What happened there? Kind of a round back up to the top side. Same thing here. Can we get a round back up to the top side? Something like that. That would be key. That would be dope. So we've got the spike. We've got the support holding. We need to see some more confirmations. Can we get this MA above this MA in the 6 hour? These are nice. I love the chart 4 hour mostly. As you can see, we have a 4 hour poking through. We do have an MA starting to point down. Will it bounce off this support as well? Will we get these two crossed up? Stochastics very low. RSI pointing kind of leveled out right now. We did kind of reset a little bit down in the 56 point region. So guys, well, like I said, we're holding right here. We're holding. We need to continue to hold on. Always like to see one of those candles take off to the upside. I'd like to see a breakout this way to kind of break this little downwards sort of trend here. So that's what I'm looking for. Like I said, there's some support here, guys. You could always, some of you guys that like that risk over on BitMEX, you could throw a trade in here on the support line and just have a nice stop loss set up. Because if you get a break up to the upside, I mean, it's going to fill this wick in. And, I mean, that's 14% on Bitcoin. That would be huge, especially on a margin leverage trade. So that's something you can have. You can have your stop losses below the MAs. That's a huge win-loss percentage there, guys. I mean, that is a nice, very nice target to a very short stop loss. You can have your stop loss like right below these lows here. That is a 3-to-1 ratio. You really can't beat that. Not a signal at all, guys. Just saying, some of you riskier guys out there that want to throw some money in there on BitMEX. I mean, we're holding support here nice. Let's see what this next 4-hour candle does. It's closing 2 hours. If it closes here and forms this hammer like it has been after this nice flag pattern downwards, we're finding support here, so it could just break up with this symmetrical triangle here. On another note, guys, let's take a look at the only token I've traded in the last day or so. And, I just took a shot here. This is not a signal again, guys. This is something I just saw was pretty interesting. A big run-up, big swooping kind of pattern downwards, guys. And when I see something like that, I just, I'd like to see it finish. I'd like to see the pattern play out. And I'm willing to take a shot because I don't have a whole lot of money tied up into the market right this second. So I'd like to see something like that. I bought in right over here. MAs are crossing. Can we see the upside? It's a huge, it's a huge upside target. If I can get this thing to finish out, I mean, it could take a while, it could spike. It's 30%. That's one thing I'm looking at. There's a lot of other setups where we've missed a lot of the entries, so I don't want to go into that now. We'll go over a little bit stuff here and there. Like I said, this is just stuff to look at, guys. There's not a whole lot of stuff in my eyes going on right this second that we could show you to get into. A lot of things are setting up or have already played out. So we will cover some of those. We will go over some of those as well this week. And that's all I really have for you today. That's all I really have for you today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. I hope you guys enjoyed the free value that we do give away here every day. Please click that like button. Click the subscribe button. There's also going to be in the description below a place for you to put any comments that you guys have for the video, any questions you guys have, things you want us to cover. Let us know, guys. Inside the description, you're going to see a link, the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. That's bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. Inside that ebook, guys, there's going to be 3 trading secrets that here inside the Alliance community that we use. All the pro traders, all the coaches, we all use these 3 targeted secrets inside the markets. We want you guys to get the free ebook. It's the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It will have all of our tips, tricks, and secrets inside that book. So take advantage of it, guys. Like I said, it's totally free of charge. We also have a lot of other free value to throw your way and some information that will also come along with the ebook, and a video series that you guys can take a look at too. Gives you guys a lot of breakdown in the history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency along with blockchain, stuff like that. So take advantage of it, guys. Just click that link below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next Bitcoin breakdown.